Hello Vivites, a very good evening to all the Vivites back in India. A very good morning to all the Vivites across the United States of America. Well, a very good morning to all the enthusiastic Vivites who are curious to know about this wonderful product Ayurved, which we have launched in the United States of America last year. So this Facebook Live Ask the Doctor series, especially on the Friday night, Indian Standard Time at 10 o'clock, which will be around about 11:30 a.m. Across the United States of America. So this is exclusively for the product Ayurved. So this is exclusively for both the Indian as well as the American Vivites who are curious to know about this wonderful product, because most of you might be having your network back in the United States of America. Well, this is the fourth Facebook Live series that we are actually doing on the product Ayurved, which is exclusively for the United States of America, my dear friends. So, well, I would like to thank everyone for participating in this. Well, again, I would like to tell you one thing. Please do like our Facebook page of Indus Viva INC, because I'll be coming live on Indus Viva INC or our US Facebook page on the Friday nights at 10 p.m. Indian Standard Time, which will be around about 11:30 a.m. in the United States. If someone is not liking and subscribing in the page, so please do like and subscribe the page so that you can watch me live every Friday night 10 p.m. Indian Standard Time, my dear friends. Well, as I previously told you, if you do have any questions on this wonderful product Ayurved, if someone is already using this product Ayurved back in the United States of America, so we are ready to take up your questions and answer your queries. So please do shoot me your questions if you have any, or you can also leave them back in the comment box so that we will be able to answer them at a later stage as well, my dear friends. Well, a very good evening to all the Indian Vivites, and a very good morning and a heartily welcome to this wonderful Facebook Live series organized by Indus Viva Health Sciences on this Ayurved product which is launched in the US, my dear friends. Well, going ahead, I would like to talk about some of the important points of our wonderful product Ayurved in the United States of America. If someone is not able to watch this in the US, please do let them know that we are broadcasting this Facebook Live by 11:30 a.m. In the United States on the Friday mornings. So please do let them know. Otherwise, share this thing on your watch parties or your walls or wherever you can on the social media platforms as well, my dear friends. Well, I would like to talk about two important points today again on Ayurved. As you all know that Ayurved is a very important product which is based on the concept of advanced Ayurveda. So advanced Ayurveda is nothing but the traditional Ayurveda which is validated by modern science and technology, my dear friends. So we see almost most of the companies across the world or in India, they are usually marketing the Ayurvedic products without much of the scientific claims or the clinical validations. So we are one of its kind companies in the world who are taking this traditional Ayurveda across the world with scientific validation, my dear friends. So this is what is exactly called as advanced Ayurveda. Well, I would like to concentrate on two important topics today. So first thing is, one of the important claims that we have on heart health in the product Ayurved and how it is related to COVID-19 scenario. This is in fact very useful for people living in the United States of America who are enthusiastic prospects for this particular product Ayurved. And the second thing is, I would like to talk about the ingredient which is present in Ayurved, which is responsible for improving the heart health, my dear friends. So this is how exactly the session would be. Suppose if you have any doubts, please do raise your questions to me. You can shoot me your questions right now. My colleague Ms. Priyanka is taking up the questions. Suppose once your questions are there, we will be able to answer your questions at the end of the session. Suppose if you are not able to ask your questions right now, please do leave them in the comment box. So once we have this broadcast ended, so probably for the next Friday night, I will be able to answer your questions, my friends. So, well, as I told you, let me start the concept of advanced Ayurveda if someone is not well versed with this. Advanced Ayurveda is a gift of Indus Viva to the whole world. So, we are in fact validating scientific Ayurveda by the use of modern scientific and sophisticated technologies, and delivering this Ayurvedic products across the globe, and especially in the United States of America, my dear friends. So that is actually the gift of Indus Viva to the whole world. In fact, advanced Ayurveda is actually based on the traditional Ayurveda, which is validated by the microbiology, which is validated by analytical chemistry, and also by some of the instrumentation techniques which are very modern and sophisticated in nature, my dear friends. So we just don't sell Ayurveda just by telling it is very traditional in nature. No, we don't do that. At the same point of time, we do validate them with modern scientific trials so that each and everyone in the United States of America who is using these products will get the complete holistic health benefit, my dear friends. This is what is exactly called as advanced Ayurveda. So going ahead, my friends, Ayurveda is a unique product in the wellness paradigm of Indus Viva. So this is unique because Ayurveda is a product which is propelled by traditional Ayurvedic principles, but at the same point of time it is validated by modern science and technology. So Ayurveda is a 100% natural formulation which is based on advanced Ayurveda, because Ayurveda contains the goodness of 4 traditional Ayurvedic formulations as well as the richness of 15 antioxidant fruits which are present in iPulse also. So when you consider the difference between these two products, you have the goodness of iPulse as well as the richness of Ayurveda combined together is called as Ayurveda. So Ayurveda is a fortified product which contains the essence of both the products actually. This is what exactly Ayurveda is all about. Well, Ayurveda contains 50 ingredients, 50. Ayurveda contains 50 ingredients which are based on 4 traditional Ayurvedic formulations and antioxidant fruits, including acai berry. I am repeating this statement again, my friends. It contains 50 ingredients which are herbal in nature, which are natural in nature, and it also contains the richness of antioxidant fruits, which also includes acai berry. So this is a very important thing that everyone needs to know, my dear friends. So as I told you, the major benefits of Ayurveda includes the brain health, it supports very good gut health, it supports the liver health, and it also supports healthy heart or the heart health. I want to put one disclaimer here. Whenever I talk about benefits or claims of this wonderful product Ayurveda, it is always important for each and every Vivite in America to know this, that US FDA will not validate the claims of traditional products. Our products Ayurveda belongs to a category called as traditional health supplements or traditional health products. We call it as THP under the US FDA, where FDA will not validate the claims or benefits of the product. It is always the traditional health benefits which we give along with the products which will not be validated by the FDA. The FDA requires only 2 things in US. One is validating the label of the product. If you see our packaging of Ayurveda, you can get to know that it is as compliant as per the rules of the US FDA, as per the law of the land, my dear friends. And the second important thing is our product Ayurveda is actually manufactured in a factory called as Waco Bottling, which is situated in the state of Texas in US. This particular manufacturing facility or the factory is also registered with the US FDA. So these are the only 2 things that the US FDA expects out of a product called as Ayurveda, which belongs to traditional health supplement products. So usually the traditional health supplement products mainly include the Ayurveda, Unani, homeopathy, Chinese medicine, Tibetan medicine, all such things, Korean medicine. Such things usually come under the concept of traditional health products, my dear friends. We are also coming under the same category of traditional health supplements. Well, this is what is all about the disclaimer which is laid down by US FDA so far as the products are concerned. I hope my point is clear to everyone. So going ahead, my friends. So as I told you, heart health, this is very important. Heart health as well as heart health especially, and immunity. As I told you, heart health is one of the important things where Ayurveda is actually working on. It gives you a healthy heart. It supports generalized heart health. Well, these days this is actually the Corona Zamana, as I call. This is a Corona Zamana during which heart health also plays a very important role, and immunity is always related with heart health, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. See, I would like to go through some of the articles which have been published very recently. One of the UK based, United Kingdom based research says that there is a deadly link between COVID-19 and cardiovascular diseases. The heart diseases and COVID-19 have a relationship. What is that relationship exactly? The data clearly shows that people who have succumbed to this dreadful disease, this is a very important thing, people who have succumbed to this deadly disease most of the patients are cardiac patients actually. This is very important. So because heart disease is one of the most important or common pre-existing health conditions across the world, and this study has been actually made in England or in the United Kingdom, where most of the patients who have succumbed to the disease have a pre-existing condition of heart problems. This is what is exactly called as a prerequisite for heart diseases, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So, COVID-19 also has been shown to damage the heart and blood vessels and increase the risk of blood clotting and inflammation, which can further lead to heart attacks and stroke. This is what exactly is all about, the relationship between cardiac arrest or the heart diseases along with the COVID-19 scenario, my dear friends. Well, heart injury associated with higher risk of death from COVID-19, because what exactly happens is, because of this viral infections, usually the muscles of the heart are also damaged. A severe muscle damage to the heart also increases the risk of cardiac diseases. This is one of the journals which is published by the American College of Cardiology. This is because whenever the virus affects the cardiac muscles, there are some chemicals called as troponins. These troponins are nothing but the proteins. These are released when the heart muscle becomes damaged, and high troponin levels have been found in patients' blood, because of which the cardiologists are coming to the conclusion that this particular virus can affect the cardiac muscles, and at the same point of time it can lead to a lot of secondary damages. I hope you got my point clear, my dear friends. So, another important thing from the magazine called as First Post, which was published today, June the 12th, it says that studies suggest even mild symptoms of COVID-19 can cause severe damage to lungs, heart and brain. This is also very important. Whenever a person is affected with or he is having some of the symptoms of COVID-19, severely the heart, lungs and the brain can be affected as well, my dear friends. That is the reason why a simple virus can cause secondary infections, and suppose if a person is already having a cardiac condition or diabetes or obesity, these are the people who are more prone to such viral infections, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So, there are a lot of problems which are faced by the cardiac patients during the COVID-19 crisis, because these are the people who have immunocompromised conditions. Their immunity is always weakened. Whenever their immunity is weakened, either because of hypertension or coronary artery disease, all these things can lead to arrhythmias or impaired pulse rate. It can lead to impaired respiration, and apart from this, sore throat, the cough, body ache, fever and pains. All these can lead to a condition called as pneumonia, and ultimately the people can succumb to diseases. This is what exactly happens during a viral infection to the human body, and people with cardiac issues are more prone to such situations, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So going ahead, as I told you, this was what is the importance of heart health and immunity is concerned. Well, I'd like to tell you one thing. Always try to take care of your heart with richness of the supplements like Ayurveda, and the immunity levels can also be kept up, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So, as I've previously told you in the last sessions of Ayurveda as well, one important thing that everybody needs to know is all Indus Viva products for that matter are frontline immune booster products. Even Ayurveda for that matter in the US is a frontline immune booster product, my dear friends. So, our product Ayurveda is actually based on the law of similarities. Again, I want to repeat this point. This is very important because our product Ayurveda is based on the law of similarities. This is based on traditional Ayurveda, which says that whatever happens in the external world also happens in the human body. For example, if there is water in the external world, you have water inside the human body. If you have air in the external world, you have air inside the lungs. Similarly, the medicinal plants which are growing in the external world, the shape and size of the medicinal plant also matters a lot, because the same shape and size of the medicinal plants will be the shape of the organs inside the human body. I hope you got my point. This is exactly called as the law of similarities. So, our product Ayurveda contains one of the important ingredients called as Parthadhyarishtam. If someone has seen the packaging of Ayurveda, please look at the back of the pack. The ingredients of Ayurveda are mentioned as compliant with the US FDA. So when you look into the ingredient list, you find an ingredient called as Parthadhyarishtam. It is also called as Arjunarishtam. This is a traditional Ayurvedic formulation, my dear friends. So this Parthadhyarishtam contains a very important ingredient called as Terminalia arjuna. Terminalia arjuna is actually a tree which is also called as a timber plant in India. You find it as a timber plant in India, whereas the bark of the tree as well as the fruits of the tree are used in traditional medicine. When you look into the fruits of this particular tree, you find the fruit of the tree is actually resembling the 4 chambers of the heart. Usually the human heart contains 4 chambers. If someone is good at biology, they can understand this. On a simple note, the human heart contains 4 chambers. They are called as the 2 atrium and the 2 ventricles. The right and the left atrium, the right and the left ventricles. So, whenever you look into the fruit of this particular tree called as Arjuna, Arjuna is an Indian name, it is also a scientific name actually. This particular fruit also has 4 types of chambers on it. This is how the law of similarity was established. This is not only based on the traditional things or the traditional books, my dear friends. This particular cardioprotective activity of this ingredient Parthadhyarishtam, which is made up of Terminalia arjuna, is scientifically validated. And when you look into the scientific journals across the globe, you can just Google it if you want to. Just enter the name Terminalia arjuna and cardioprotection. You will have hundreds of papers, scientific papers which are published by PhDs across the world, stating that this particular ingredient called as Terminalia arjuna is a very good cardioprotective ingredient, my dear friends. This is what is exactly called as advanced Ayurveda. So we have taken the secret from traditional Ayurveda, we have validated that with modern science. That is the reason why Ayurveda is called as an advanced Ayurveda product, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So, Terminalia arjuna, which is an ingredient of Parthadhyarishtam, this is a very important ingredient because it protects the heart, it fights the lipid levels, it tackles high blood pressure, it helps manage diabetes also, it prevents fungal infections, it heals the wounds faster, it fights the free radical damage, as well as it reduces your inflammation or swelling in the body. This is very important. Again, I would like to repeat one important point for all the people who are watching in the United States or who will be watching in future the similar episodes. US FDA will not validate the traditional claims. US FDA does not validate these claims because these products are coming under traditional health products, my dear friends. But Indus Viva is a very good company where we are validating these traditional claims with modern scientific parameters so that a scientifically validated and evidence-based product is delivered to people, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So going ahead, Arjuna or this particular Parthadhyarishtam, it is also called as Arjunarishtam. This has been mentioned in the textbooks of Ayurveda 2500 years back. Not 1 or 2 years back, my dear friends. It is 2500 years back. In fact, this particular ingredient contains the natural enzyme CoQ10. This particular ingredient contains the natural enzyme CoQ10, which strengthens your heart muscles. See, that was what I was talking about. Whenever a person's heart is affected, or whenever a person is affected with a virus like COVID-19, the heart muscles are damaged, my dear friends. The ingredient like Parthadhyarishtam contains this Arjuna, which has this CoQ10, which can protect your heart muscles, which can make your heart muscles strong. I hope you got my point. It normalizes your blood pressure. It also normalizes the blood circulation. This is also very important. It reduces the lipids and it also helps in proper functioning of the heart, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. But as a general rule, as a disclaimer, I would also like to tell you one thing. None of these claims are validated by US FDA. It is based on the traditional health products. This is how the US FDA classifies it, my dear friends. So, going ahead, Parthadirishtam, as I told you, is a very important product for supporting the heart. It gives the strength to the heart. It is also good for lung diseases. It also is a very important immune booster, and it is also used in various other kinds of diseases across the world, as well as the scientists are doing a lot of research on this particular plant, my dear friends. I hope you understood this point. Well, as I told you, this is an ingredient which is dating back to 2500 years, and this particular Parthadirishtam is a very important ingredient which contains 20 herbs in it. How much? 20 herbs. It is not a one ingredient. This particular Parthadirishtam contains 20 ingredients. So, as I previously told you, Ayurveda is a very important product which contains 50 ingredients, 50, of which 20 ingredients belong to this Parthadirishtam, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So, as I told you, Ayurveda is a very important herbal supplement which can maintain the health in a healthy person, and it can also prevent the forthcoming disease. As a general rule, Ayurveda is a product which is not a replacement for mainstream medicine. It can be taken along with your regular medications without worrying much about the side effects, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. As I told you, Ayurveda must be consumed twice daily, which is 30 ml in the morning and 30 ml in the night, half an hour before your food. The dosage is similar to that of your eye-pulse, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So, in American parlance, they normally consider it as fluid ounce, OZ. That is what they write. It is 1 ounce in the morning and 1 ounce in the night, which is nothing but 30 ml in the morning and 30 ml in the night, half an hour before your food. That is what the exact dosage of Ayurveda is, my dear friends. So, Ayurveda can be consumed for a longer periods without worrying much about side effects. It can be used across all the age groups from children above 80 years of age till the geriatric age groups or the older age groups, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So, with this, I would like to end this short session of Ayurveda. Probably people in US, enthusiasts of this wellness, products like Ayurveda. Probably if you have not, watched this episode, please, the Indian Vivites who are watching this can share them these links so that they will be able to watch this in the future days, and let them get the most benefits of these products as well. So this is what is exactly called as heart health as well as COVID-19. So this is one important topic that I wanted to cover today, my dear friends. So thank you very much for your patient listening. So now this is a question time. So I would like to take some of the questions that people have asked here. So before I go into the questions, so let me see. Okay, the first question that I am seeing here is from Miss Ainla Lima. So, Rehart, my friend has aorta implant. She is doing well. Is it okay for her to consume this? Absolutely right, Miss Aina Lima. Which exactly I was trying to tell you this, because not only people with cardiac diseases, but also not only the people with cardiac diseases, but even after the cardiac implants or the surgeries are done, Ayurveda is a very important supportive product that the people can actually use. So, the next question that I am seeing here is from Mr. Mahesh. Are your products FDA approved? I think I have answered this question quite a lot of times before. As I told you, the facility has to be FDA approved and the labeling of the product has to be FDA compliant, both of which we are compliant with. And the traditional health products, none of the claims are validated by US FDA. Suppose if you see any of the dietary supplement products in the US, there is one important disclaimer that is actually told, which is written in bold letters, that the claims or the benefits will not be validated by US FDA, my dear friends. If you have a chance of looking into the US product Ayurveda, definitely you will get to know how the labeling is done and how the FDA compliance is obtained for that, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So the next question I am seeing is from Mr. Jeevan. Mr. Jeevan is saying that can eye-pulse increase heart pumping rate? There is nothing like increasing the pumping rate actually. Normally heart should not be, the pumping rate should not increase. It's called as arrhythmic heartbeats. Normally the heartbeats have to be a normal pumping rate. If it is an arrhythmic heartbeat, there is some, chronic pathology which is involved there. So either iPulse, which is a cardioprotective, or iVed, which is a cardioprotective, is mainly intended for maintaining generalized heart health support. It is a very good heart health support which is a cardioprotective in nature, my dear friend. So the next question that I am seeing here is Mr. Mahesh is asking a question. Please elaborate on validation. Well, validation in the sense, one thing I want to tell you here, already the clinical trials and the preclinical trials on iVed is happening in India. So we are not doing anything in the US because, as I told you, this is a traditional health product which is categorized under the US FDA. So such products have to be clinically validated in the country of origin. In this case, the country of origin is India. So all the trials are going in India right now. Because of the COVID-19 lockdown situation, a slight delay has happened in getting the results out. I'll tell you, my dear friends, at least by the end of September, we will have all the papers in hand which can support a very good promotion of iVed in the United States market, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So the next question that I am seeing here is from Mr. Varalakshmi. Does iVed have any side effects? See, as I told you, normally in the United States of America, there is one important disclaimer that everyone speaks of so far as the dietary supplements are concerned. It is always important to consult your physician before you start or during the course of using any products, my dear friends. So that is one important disclaimer that I want to tell you, everyone. And the second thing is, as I have told you, it has least to no side effects, my dear friends. So that is what iVed is all about. So the next question that I am seeing is from Mr. Udit. He says that, can you please elaborate on immune boosters? See, as I tell you, normally your body has immune boosters inside. The natural immunity is already present in the body. It is called as the innate immunity. So what exactly happens whenever you are under a process of stress or whenever you are diseased? Your immunity takes a beating. So that is the reason why you suffer from fever, you are sneezing sometimes, your running nose is happening. It is all about your immunity fighting the disease actually. So our body can take the beating only for some point of time. So whenever the body stops taking that immunity, the resistance power goes down. You will not be able to do anything. That is the reason why when you consume some, the dietary immune boosters in the sense products like iVed, which you take it from outside, automatically the immunity inside the body, the innate immunity inside the body improves. It develops. Because of which you will have better resistance to fight against the diseases, my dear friends. This is exactly called as immune boosters. I hope you got my point clear, Mr. Udit. Yeah. So the next question that I am seeing here is, so why Mr. Mahesh is asking the question again, why brain, heart, gut and liver health are usually shown? See, as I told you, our product iVed is based on 4 traditional Ayurvedic formulations. The 4 traditional formulations, I'll try to name them again. The first thing is Parthadirishtam, which I told today, which is mainly used for heart health. The second thing is Saraswata Churnam, which is used for brain health. The third thing is Bilvadileham, which is used for gut health. And the fourth thing is Panchanimba Churnam, which is used for liver health. See, these important 4 benefits, why we have categorized here is, these 4 benefits are actually listed in the traditional textbooks of Ayurveda called Charaka Samhita 2500 years back. This is not we have listed in 1 or 2 days, my dear friends. This was listed 2500 years back. What we are doing right now is we are validating those traditional claims today by the use of modern scientific equipments which are very modern and sophisticated in nature, as well as very good clinical trials which is currently happening in major hospitals in Bangalore, my dear friends. This is what I have to tell you about what exactly these 4 important reasons or 4 important health conditions why we are projecting iVed as. I hope you got my point clear. So the next question that I am seeing here is from Mr. Mahesh again. Yeah, same thing. I hope I've answered your question. 4 kinds of health in one product and not separate products. Okay, I got the second part of the question now from Mr. Mahesh. Why it is not as separate products? As I told you, Ayurveda is actually called as a holistic science. Ayurveda is not something which is like a modern medicine. You take paracetamol, your fever reduces. This is not Ayurveda. Ayurveda is called as holistic health. Ayurveda takes care of your health from head till the toe. So iVed is a very important product which is based on traditional Ayurveda, which can protect your generalized health from head till the toe, my dear friend. I hope you got my point clear. And that is the reason why we have included all the 4 benefits in one product and we have not separated the products. I hope you got my point clear. So the next question that I am seeing here from Mr. Sanjay, he is telling that have iVed and iPulse some same benefits. As I told you, the major difference between the two products is iVed is actually iPulse plus the 4 Ayurvedic formulations, whereas iPulse is only containing the richness of 15 antioxidant fruits. I hope you got my point clear. Benefits wise, if you concern, already you must be knowing the benefits of iPulse, whereas benefits of iVed, as I have told you, the 4 major benefits that is already been explained and elaborated, my dear friend. So the next question that I am seeing here is from Mr. Gagandeep. Gagandeep is asking how much quantity is required for 3-year-old baby. No, as I told you, iVed is a product which has to be given only above 8 years of age. This is a US product which has to be given only about 8 years of age in the United States of America, my dear friend. So the next question that I am seeing here is from Miss Nandini. A person who has undergone bypass surgery, can they take iPulse? See, again, Miss Nandini, I would like to tell you one thing. This is actually a product which is iVed, which is for the Facebook Live, especially for the US Vivites as well as for the Indian Vivites, only on the product iVed. Definitely, since you have asked this question, our people have noted down this question, so I will be able to answer this question on next Monday. That is called as the iPulse Day in the morning by 11 a.m. when I speak about iPulse Facebook Live. I hope I've answered your question. I will be answering you by that time. So thanks for your question again. So we really appreciate that. So the next question is from Mr. Tuan. Is it okay to take with any foods? Absolutely yes. iVed is a product which is a dietary supplement in US. It is categorized as a dietary supplements in the United States market. So you can take this along with any kind of a diet without worrying much about the adverse effects, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So the last question of the day that I am taking it again from Mr. Sanjay. He is asking about the age groups again. As I previously told you, I will reiterate this point again. Starting from 8 years, children, till 100 years, or whenever the longevity of the person remains, one can use this wonderful product called as iVed, my friend. I hope you got my point clear. So thank you very much, Vivites in India and Vivites in the US, for your patient watching and listening to this wonderful product iVed. I hope you have got the knowledge in the US to promote this product in a scientifically validated and a logical way, my dear friend. So I hope this kind of questioning continues ahead. We would like to anticipate more and more questions from the United States Vivites on this awesome product called as iVed, so that we will be able to answer your questions, so that it helps you in better promotion across the United States, my friends. So again, I would like to wish you all a very good night across India, and have a very good day across the United States of America, my friends. So this is Dr. Balu Kolar, Head of Product Development and Training at Indus Viva Health Sciences, speaking to you live from my residence in Bangalore. Thank you very much for your patient watching. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day and have a good evening across India and the US. Thank you very much.